This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make vanilla custards post to creme. And here are the ingredients we're gonna use. We're gonna use 2 teaspoons of vanilla cream, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 egg yolks, 2 whole eggs, 2 cups of half and half, and 1 packet of vanilla sugar. So let's get right into it, guys. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. In my pan here, I'm gonna add 2 cups of half and half, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'll then put my pan on the stove on a medium-high heat and take a spatula and stir the mixture together so the sugar can dissolve. Next, while we're still waiting for our milk to scald, I'm gonna beat the 2 egg yolks and 2 whole eggs. I'm gonna beat them really well until they are light and lemon color. Next, I will add my vanilla sugar and beat well. Our milk is ready. You can tell by the bubbles that is starting to form and the steam. That's how you can tell the milk is scalded. Now we're gonna add the milk to the eggs. I'm gonna add the milk in half increments to bring the temperature of the eggs up gradually while whisking. Then I will add the remaining milk as soon as I know that it has reached that temperature. That method is called tempering because I have to make sure that the eggs won't curdle or scramble. Okay, now our custard mixture is ready. I'll strain through the sieve into a measuring cup. This step is very important, guys. You have to make sure that you strain your custard mixture to make sure your finished custard is silky. Okay, now set my custard cups in a roasting pan. Then I'm gonna divide my custard among the cups. You know, sometimes some other people, they like to remove the foam. I just leave mine like that. This mixture will yield about 5 cups. Now what I'm gonna do, I'll carefully pour in hot water to come halfway upside on the baking cups. Then I will cover it with foil. Okay, now it's time for us to bake our custard. We're gonna bake it at 325 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Our custard is ready, it's baked, it's after 25 minutes. What I normally do, I take a toothpick, insert it, and when it comes out clean, now I know my custard is ready to have that jiggly. And I'll let it sit for 5 minutes in the pan. Then I'll transfer it to a cooling rack to cool completely. Then I'll put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Okay, our custard is set. It's been in the refrigerator for 4 hours. And now it's time to finish it up. And today what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna finish it up with the raspberry jam and raspberries. The combination of vanilla custard and raspberry is so yummy. You guys, I tell you, you must try it. You must try it. And make sure, guys, it's very important you put your custard in the fridge, chill it for at least 4 hours. Okay guys, at least 4 hours. So there you have it, guys, our vanilla custard finished with raspberry jam and raspberries. I hope you tried this recipe, guys. Let me know how it turned out on the comments down below. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, guys. It's very important, guys. Please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. I would also like to take this time to thank you all, guys, for your support and the love. You know, guys, I'm so overwhelmed. Okay, let me try it. Let me dig into it. Guys, this is so good. It's so yummy. So yummy. Try it, guys. Until next time, guys. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys.